Hey Valley Middle, Mr. Dudley here with just a little bit of help on G67 6.6a graphing reflections. Here's the worksheet you're going to be working on. I think you're all pretty good at graphing something, a reflection of something across the x-axis. Here's your x-axis here. But how about question 3 here? Can you graph something as a reflection across y equals 1? Well, I'm going to show you how you do that. If y equals 1, that means that every y value is equal to 1. So let's think about that. If we had x was 0 and y was 1, we could put a dot here. If x was 1 and y was 1, we could put a dot here. If x was 5 and y was 1, we put a dot somewhere over here. So it's going to be a line that goes right here at 1 where it crosses the y-axis. So I'm going to drop a line in there, and this is going to be our mirror line. So we have to reflect this image right here over this line, y equals 1, as a reflection. So let's go ahead and do that. So, well, this point here is actually on the bottom side of the reflection. So if it's one spot over here, we're going to have to move that point 1 on top of the line. So let's just put a point right in there. This spot here, let's see, it's 1, 2, and it's 3 above the reflection line. So of course it's got to be 3 below the reflection line. So here's 1, 2, and 3 below the reflection line. And this guy here is just 1 above the reflection line. So when we reflect it, it's going to be right here in the origin, which is 1 below. All right, so let's grab some lines here and see if our figure matches. You always want to do that. And let's see if our figures look like they're reflecting one another. And they do. Huh. There's about 3 guys in the world that could have done that, and you're looking at one of them. Man, oh my God. Thanks for listening. Have a good day.